everybody, I'm Marge.
And I'm Tiffany.
And
this is Terrell.
And you're watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Go, go.
Oh,
Hey everybody, I'm Chef Marge. And welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can't really communicate to us what he wants, so this is our way of helping him. So today's episode is WWE Turkey Smackdown. Yeah, that's what we said. It's a tradition in our household to spank the turkey right before it goes into the oven, just to get the juices flowing, or just for fun. Yeah, the fun part. We'll put. As you can see, we have a special guest today, our dad, the original Chef Terrell.
hey everyone, how's it going? When we come back, I'll show you how to prep the turkey for Thanksgiving. So keep watching.
So glad to see you came back to watch our show. As you can see, Chef Marge and Daddy Chef. It's my time to shine.
What is it? Time to shine? Give it us.
Yeah. Are getting ready to prep for the turkey. But before they do it,
What is it?
it's time
For
the Turkey Smackdown!
Turkey Smackdown!
Turkey Smackdown.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Excuse me, nothing's
Thank
happened
you.
yet. Calm down. Calm down.
No.
Oh, for the rest of it. I never do a turkey.
Each chef, including Chef Terrell.
Wait a minute, finger.
Calm down, buddy.
Oh.
Will have their chance to give the turkey a real smackdown. Comment down below who will do the real good smackdown. Are you ready? Let's do this thing. Go.
Where's Margaret?
You really shouldn't have made such an effort.
Dramatic much.
Let's get this thing started. Thank you so very much. Chef Dad, give it a little pat on the back.
Oh, I just did a sprinkle.
Ooh! Ooh! Tiffany,
Okay.
give us the cookie number. As you see, Chef Terrell's not with us, so I will do it in memory of him for now. That's what he would do. He was doing that before we came back. Now that the Smackdown has concluded, let's really prepare our turkey, guys. So, Dad, what do we do from here?
Alright, so from here, we wash the turkey. We wash our turkey first. Smackdown went a little bit overboard. I have to make sure that our bird is clean and gutted before we add any seasoning.
Yeah, that turkey beat now. Looking like a pile of birds.
Today, I'll be using a special holiday blend season to season the turkey. A special ingredient, of course, I have to do that off air for copyright reasons. And there you have it, perfectly seasoned turkey. And there we have it, perfectly seasoned turkey, ready for baking.
And when we come back, it's time for today's sidebar.
And now it's time for today's
sidebar.
Today's sidebar comes from the autismsite.com. They're providing Thanksgiving hacks for kids on the spectrum. Here we go.
Prepare your child a few weeks ahead before the big day and explain to your child the best way you can about what's going on prior to Thanksgiving and getting them prepared.
Prepare your family to see your child. It's very important that your family prepare for your child and what's to come. and know how to treat your child and how your child will handle a meltdown situation. It is in your child's, if your child doesn't show affection, prepare the family not to take offense to it, especially those grandparents who like to kiss their grandbabies when they come over during the holidays.
Don't force your child to eat food they don't want to eat. You don't want your child to feel bad or have a meltdown because they don't want to eat the food.
Sounds relatable.
Make sure to explain to the person who's cooking the food that some items will need to be prepared for just the child or children who are picky eaters. This way they can participate in the dinner portion of the day.
And try to keep the day as close to your child's schedule as possible. Their schedule means everything to them and how your day can go.
Give your child a safe, quiet space to escape in case of a sensory overload. Consider seating your child at the end of the table. Praise good, appreciate good behavior, and lastly, take it easy. If you follow these simple rules, Thanksgiving will be a success.
And that's today's sidebar. Thank you.
Well, we hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you next week for our Black Friday finds and after Thanksgiving bunch.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Say bye, Big Terrell.
Bye.
Happy Thanksgiving from the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Woohoo!